Being a guest of Allah is more than a journey. It is a path to inner peace, forgiveness, and a deep connection with the divine. In 2025, let your heart lead you to the sacred lands with Luton Umrah Tours. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Umrah removes sins just as fire removes rust from iron," said Tirmidhi. This sacred pilgrimage is an opportunity to cleanse your soul, seek forgiveness, and renew your faith. Every step in the holy cities brings you closer to spiritual fulfillment. From the heart of London, your journey begins with Luton Umrah Tours by your side. We are more than a travel agency. We are your trusted spiritual guide, dedicated to making your Umrah smooth, meaningful, and unforgettable. Your comfort and peace of mind are our priority. In 2025, make your intention count. Walk in the blessed footsteps of faith and forgiveness. Book your spot today with Luton Umrah Tours, where your journey begins with sincerity and ends with serenity. Umrah 2025. Are you ready to be his guest? Join Luton Umrah Tours today.